Good morning, I am Jessie Pius from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So today I would like to explain about the shading devices. So after a successful completion of this course, students will be able to understand the fundamentals of shading devices. Shading devices, well designed sun control and shading device can dramatically reduce the building peak heat gain and cooling requirements. These devices also improve the natural lighting quality of building interiors. So solar shading can done in site evaluation, daylight and shading, share and simulate. Sun control and shading device can improve visual comfort by controlling the glare. It leads to increased satisfaction and productivity. Shading device can also function as reflectors called light shells. The design of effective shading device will depend on the solar orientation of a particular building open space. The use of sun control shading devices is an important aspect of many energy efficient building design, which bounce natural light deep into the building interiors. Classification, they are classified into two types: internal shading device and external shading devices. Internal shading devices. The internal shading device such as curtain, vertical blind can reduce heat energy passing through a window. The effectiveness of these shading device depend on the ability to reflect the incoming solar radiation back through the window. Then light colored droppers or blinds lined with light colored materials are more effective than the dark colored shading devices. Curtains, it's commonly used shading device, mostly used in residential buildings. Venetian blinds. These are basic slatted blinds made of metal or plastic, wood or bamboo. Vertical lower blinds. It's suitable for many applications in commercial and public buildings where the control of heat, light and glare are of concern. Roller blinds. They are stiffened baluster mounted on metal pole and operated with a side chain or spring mechanism. External shading devices. Overhang vertical fins can also reduce the amount of solar heat passing through a window. They can use to reduce the area of glass surface that's actually impacted by the sun rays. During cooling seasons, external window shading is an excellent way to prevent unwanted solar heat gain from entering a conditioned space. During cooling season, external window shading is an excellent way to prevent unwanted solar heat gain from entering a conditioned space. The design of effective shading device will depend on the solar orientation of a particular building facade. For example, simple fixed overhanging are very effective at the shading south-facing windows in the summer when the sun angles are high. A cater, a vertical combination of vertical and horizontal shading elements commonly used in hot climate regions because of their high shading efficiencies.